Everyone's selling Coca-Cola, and I sell fridges. And right now, fridges is where the money is. Let me explain. So the whole tech world is losing its mind over AI. Everyone's building the product, the shiny thing, the model, the chatbot, the wrapper. That's the Coca-Cola. But somebody has to build the fridge. And so here's what nobody stops to think about. Where does the Coca-Cola go, right? Like, somebody has to build the fridge. Somebody has to wire it to the wall, get the temperature right, make sure the door opens when a customer shows up. That's me. That's literally what I do. I'm Mael, a Shopify Plus architect, and I don't build AI models. I take models that already exist and I connect them to the real stores. Stores that take real money from real people. And I'm telling you, this is the better business to be in right now. Let me tell you why. So about 3 months ago, I went to an 8-figure brand and I pitched them on creating a head of AI role. A dedicated person to run AI across their entire commerce operation. They looked at me and said, "We are not ready." And they were not kidding. Here's the thing. They weren't wrong. Because when I looked under the hood, I found 14,000 products with broken metafields. Their checkout was running on deprecated code that Shopify hasn't supported in over a year. And their ERP sync, this thing that connects their warehouse to the store, it was crashing every Thursday at 3 a.m. Every Thursday, and nobody even knew why. So yeah, they don't need AI. They're not ready. They need plumbing, and honestly, if that offends you, you're probably building Coca-Cola too. This is the dirty secret of the whole AI gold rush right now. Most businesses cannot use AI right now, and it's not because the models aren't smart enough. It's because the infrastructure underneath is garbage. The data is wrong, the checkout is duct taped together, and the person who built it left 2 years ago. So then, who gets paid when they finally decide to fix all of that? Not OpenAI and not Anthropic. And for sure, not the prompt engineering guy on Reddit. He's the person who can open the hood and say, okay, this is broken, this is what it costs, let's go. And when they fix it, well, that's a 5-figure engagement every single time. That person is a fridge builder. Now look, I use Claude Code every day, but not to build AI products. I use it to build infrastructure that makes AI products possible. Like, I'll point it at a broken product catalog and it finds 47 errors in 11 minutes. Stuff that would take a junior dev 3 days. Or I'll point it at a migration script and it catches edge cases I'd miss on my 4th coffee. But, and this is important, the AI doesn't know your store. It has no clue that your brand calls variants something completely different in the ERP. It doesn't know that Germany needs comma decimals and the UK doesn't. And it certainly doesn't know that your checkout extension you deployed last month is quietly breaking the gift card flow right now as we speak. You still need the person who knows where the wires go, and that person getting more valuable every week, not less. Because every new AI tool that ships just creates another, wait, why doesn't this work with our setup moment? The Coca-Cola keeps coming. So here's how I think about it. You're either selling Coca-Cola or you're building fridges. And one of those is about to get very, very cheap. One thing before I go though, go look at your product catalog tonight. Pick 50 products, check the metafields. Count how many are empty, duplicated, or just plain wrong. That number, that's the gap between your store and anything AI can actually do for you. And if you think AI replaces the person who closes that gap, I genuinely love to hear how, because I haven't seen a single person explain it. I'll look at your setup and tell you exactly where the wires are crossed. No sales pitch, just the diagnosis. And if this made you think, subscribe, because I'm building a whole series on this. The plumbing nobody wants to talk about, and it's going to get very uncomfortable. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.